Okay, so this seems like some important information that I should share with other Subaru owners. If your mirror is retracting, but the glass itself will not move up and down or left or right. Now, if there's electricity coming to this area, right? If there's electricity coming to this area, it's just a replacement motor that you would want. Yeah, so one of them controls it to go up and down, one goes left and right. Yeah, so this one was jammed. I sort of freed it up, sprayed some lubricant inside. I'm not sure if this is a proper fix, but that's what I will do. Alright, let's give it a test. Yeah. Yep. Hold on now. Yes, sir.